In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a NovaClick referral link. The first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have a NovaClick account yourself. So if you do not already have one, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description down below, and basically from there, you're able to go ahead and join the Telegram channel, and then you will be able to get a menu that looks something like this. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and select over here where it says referrals, and then it is going to say ready to access your referral link. So here's the steps we need to do. We need to go ahead and follow Trade on Nova on Twitter. So let's go ahead and just press on open like so. It is now going to open up X. So now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and just follow Nova just like so, and then we can go back to the Telegram channel and do the next step. So all we need to do now is we need to go ahead and retweet this particular tweet. So let's go ahead and press on open, and then it is going to take us to a tweet that does look like this. So let's just go ahead and retweet it like so, repost. Then go back to the Telegram channel, and once you're done with that, go ahead and select on this option that does say continue. And over here, it'll give you a brief structure on how the referral link actually works. So we got different tiers that we could actually utilize, and you can even make money using your referral link. So this is honestly a great option, especially if you have other friends who are maybe interested in crypto. Then this is definitely a great way to make some extra cash. And here is our referral link. So let's go ahead and press on it like so. And it basically, whenever you do press on it, it's going to copy it to your clipboard, and you can go ahead and send it to your friends. You can make YouTube videos with it, and it basically earn some extra money. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.